Want to open any application using Run in Windows 11? Let's learn how to do it quickly and easily. Press Windows key and the R keys together. Once you have opened the Run terminal, type regedit. Now, navigate to this location, hkey_local_ machinem Microsoft in Windows our current version app paths. Right-click on the app paths, and then click on New, and then click on Key. Name the key as your application name, along with the extension. Example, for us we will name the key as Application1. Exe. Now, click on the Application1 X key. On the right pane, you should see a string value named Default. Double-click on it. Change the value data to the address of the application. X for us, we will set the value data to C program files, x86/application1/application1. Exe, click on OK to save the changes. Now, again right-click on the blank space of Application1, Xe key, and click on New, and then click on String Value. Change the name of the string value as Path. Now, double-click on Path and change its value data to the path of the application folder. X for us, then we will set the value data to C program files, x86/application1 Click on OK to save the changes. Close Registry Editor window. Reboot your computer, and after rebooting, try to run the application from Run. First, right-click on the desktop and click on New. Then, you have to click on Text Document. Copy and paste these following lines in the Notepad window. Press Ctrl+Shift+S to save the Notepad text. Save it as A1, reg. Click on Save as Type, and click on All Files. Now, click on Save to save the registry in a favorable location. Now, run A1, reg on your computer. After executing the registry script on your computer, reboot your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.